Okay, go Seba, go, 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 go. So this thing is super fun. As you can see over there, he's kind of like in the limit. This thing goes up to ages up. Oh, I gotta kind of like run a little bit, like ages up to 10 and even 250 pounds. If you don't believe me, just take a look at the end of the video. I'm gonna be right in this thing, but it's kind of cool. I have to say, it has lights everywhere, but for sure you're not gonna see them now because we're in the middle of the day. But then let me show you some other things. So it comes in multiple colors, and a couple things about this one. The steering wheel is so easy to use, super, super easy. But the best thing, just honk that one, please. It has a honk over there, and the pedal is just there, so it's super, super easy to ride. And of course, as I was saying before, it comes with many, many lights that you're not gonna see during the day, but it has a super big one over there and some other ones there. But again, the best thing is how easy it is to ride. So let's actually turn back and do it right, left. So easy, so much fun. But again, as I say before, say 250 pounds. So let's actually try it out. Believe me, this is 250 pounds. I'm 190 and this thing is pulling me. It's actually pretty fun. For kids, it's gonna be a blast. For sure, you're not gonna regret this. You're gonna have so much fun. Yeah, this, oh my goodness, no.